Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix IRS login issues. Identity verification helps step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to IRS.gov to avoid fake or unsafe links. Click Sign In and confirm you are on a secure page that starts with HTTPS. If the page does not load, refresh once and then close the tab completely. Clear your browser cache and cookies for IRS.gov and then reopen the browser. Try an incognito or private window to rule out stored login problems. Disable any VPN or proxy because it can trigger extra security checks. Make sure your device date and time are correct because security tokens can fail. If you forgot your username, use the account recovery option on the sign-in page. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Password and follow the reset prompts. Create a strong new password and do not reuse passwords from other sites. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the IRS or ID.me verification message. If you do not receive a code, request a new code and wait a few minutes. If your phone number changed, update it in your account settings if you can sign in. If you cannot sign in, proceed with identity verification using the provided alternative method. When prompted for identity verification, choose the ID.me option if it appears. Create an ID.me account only on the official prompt and never from random ads. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID. Upload clear photos of your government-issued ID with all corners visible. Take a selfie video or live photo when requested and follow the on-screen guidance. Make sure your camera lens is clean and your room lighting is bright and even. If the scan fails, switch to another device like a smartphone with a better camera. If you receive an error message, screenshot it and note the exact time it happened. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari if the current one keeps failing. Turn off browser extensions such as ad blockers because they can break verification pages. After verification, return to IRS.gov and sign in again using the same verified account. Confirm you can access your IRS services page and check for any account alerts. If you are still locked out, use the IRS help page or contact support using official IRS numbers. Never share your verification codes, passwords, or full SSN with anyone in comments or messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.